Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to break down a few email designs and I'll try to explain as specific as possible how we structure them, what's the idea behind each graphic and title. We will break down the call to action buttons and give you all the secrets so you can design your emails better and increase your e-commerce revenue. Without further ado, let's get started. So here's the first email that we are going to analyze today, which is from the brand We Print Wraps. They're B2B and B2C car wrap supplier. This email was aimed at their B2C customers and it promotes the retro vehicle car wraps they have. First up, let's start with the header. Step back in time with these amazing retro vehicles. Immediately, the retro neon pink font against a dark background sets the vintage mood. The logo is clearly placed as always at the top of the email. Moving on to the imagery, the email features classic cars with modern vehicle wrapped in retro designs. This contrast not only showcases the service offered, but also evokes a strong sense of nostalgia, which is a powerful emotion in marketing. The message is clear. They're selling vehicle wraps that can transform any modern car with a retro look. The copy. Fire up the DeLorean and take a nostalgic cruise through memory lane right onto the streets of today. It does a fantastic job of blending the iconic symbol of retro vehicles with the invitation to bring that aesthetic into present. Notice how the email is segmented in different design inspirations like 60s, 70s, 80s and 90s. Each section uses an evocative phrase like groove on the road for the 60s and dance through traffic for the 70s. This not only categorizes the offerings but also targets specific customer memories. Each section has a Discover Now call to action button in a bright, attending grabbing pink, which is one of their main brand colors. This is a strategic choice that stands out against the darker background and the colorful wraps, guiding the customer journey towards a potential sale. The visual flow of the email is linear, guiding the eye from the top to the bottom seamlessly. It employs a Z pattern layout where the top is broad and captivating, leading to narrower sections as you scroll down, which are designed to engage the reader with specific products. Typography varies from bold and impactful for headings to simpler, more readable fonts to the main body text, balancing visual impact with user friendliness. Toward the bottom, we have a final large call to action, revive the retro vibe now. It is a closing statement that encapsulates the entire message of the email in a punchy and direct manner, urging immediate action, of course. Lastly, the footer, it's clean with social media icons and copyright statement. This email done great and we've A/B tested this version versus a version with a call to action button right here below the title. Now let's move to the other one. Memento is a brand working with photographers and turning their visuals into stunning clothes. On the surface it's sleek and modern, but there is so much more when we start peeling back the layers. Let's break it down. The opening line, "New artist drop," immediately sets a tone of exclusivity. The phrase "drop" is often used in fashion and music to indicate a limited release, creating a sense of urgency among customers. And then there is a tagline, "Discover the art of expression." It's not just about buying a product, it's an invitation to join a movement, an experience. The Explore the Collection button is a clear call to action. It's positioned perfectly after the introduction in above the fold of the email. Are you searching for more than just fashion? Apparel that tells a story? This is a powerful psychological play and it's asking you to self-reflect, to identify with the brand's deeper values, making it more than a transaction. And finally, the last CTA, View More, is our final nudge to engage further. It's clear, direct, and too tempting to ignore. To sum up, it's not just selling a product, it's selling a narrative, an experience and a lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I've helped you somehow with this email analysis. So if so, please like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. Until next time.